I'm gonna see if I can like double Mark's volume on Discord after this finishes loading.
Yeah, I'm gonna try that too. If I alt tab while it's loading though, will it crash?
I don't know if it'll crash. It'll just be stupid. It'll start acting stupid. Okay.
How do I change his volume? Oh, it's because he's on his phone.
Oh crap!
We're both on laptops, kiddo.
Oh, this is really cool.
Sorry, but my computer does not like my headphones being plugged into them, so it doesn't work.
So Mark, no Woohoo Island.
What was that?
Woohoo Island.
Woohoo Island.
Are you talking about The Sims?
Wii Sports Resort. No, Wii Sports Resort.
Yeah.
That sounds like something from The Sims because
No,
it's
you're
called
thinking of
Woohoo
Woohoo,
Island.
not. It's not like Woohoo, but like Woohoo, like WU, HU, I think. Island. The full island is on here.
Nice.
Only slightly glitchy. It's fine.
Okay, yeah, Gmod crashed. Hang on.
This ain't gonna be good.
Oh yeah, I tend to crash the game a lot, by the way, Mark, so get prepared. Last time me and Nick recorded, I crashed the game probably 6 times, and then on the 6th time it crashed, it also crashed my OBS, so I had none of the recording of it.
Get good.
Oh god, what?
What?
I'm glitching the map. I'm V-clipping through the map and everything's broken. Probably because I'm V-clipping.
Please open Discord back up. I mean, GMOD.
Ayo.
Computer is not working. Alright, it be launching now. Let's hope it stays launched.
Oh, you're back, Nick?
I'm back, yes.
Oh, Mark got mad at me because I said this recording session better be funny because I had to go away from Naruto. I know you know how that feels since you watch that wretched DBZ.
Wretched DBZ.
Yeah, Naruto's better. Fight me.
I don't feel like it.
I don't feel like fighting you from this
I feel like
distance.
fighting you. I'll just throw you up.
Oh god, they fly. I didn't know they flew. I'm dead.
Alright, I think my game's loading now.
Nick. Oh, I'm lagging.
It's because I'm joining.
Nick, I didn't know they flew.
They fly now.
I didn't know they flew.
What is that?
You'll find out. Go for a jog on your Wii Fit board.
This is a laggy map.
Nick, how do I get outside without V-clipping? Because I got there with V-clipping, but...
Get where without V-clipping? Where did you go in?
What do you mean?
Where are you?
I'm inside, but I don't know how to get outside without V-clipping.
Inside what? What is this?
Where you spawn. The white room. It looks like Portal.
Description 100.
Oh, you go through one of the doors.
Oh god, I gotta kill these things.
Go through the
Or
door.
I can do clean up everything.
Ages to load. What is this map, Nick?
It's Woohoo Island. What are you talking about?
Why is it so laggy to load?
I don't know why it's so laggy to load. It just is. Oh god.
Nick, help! Help! Oh, I did clean up everything. We're fine.
How y'all been doing?
I don't know
I've
why
been doing okay.
I don't know why I thought spawning enemies was a good idea.
Alright. Problem is, I don't have headphones plugged in my computer, so I can't hear the music.
What music? Is there music playing?
Hold up. What is this music?
Wait, there's music playing. Hold on. Audio.
Nick, your Halo Ghost vehicle is glitched.
You're glitched.
No, I mean like I can't see anything whenever I'm in it, and I can't switch. I can't switch between first and third person.
Wait, what is that?
Do you hear this?
Oh!
It is.
Yeah, Nick, look. Here, I'll spawn it. Nick, go in the car.
So bad.
You see what I mean? You can't see anything.
Press V when you're in it.
Press V.
Press V when you're in it.
V. Why V?
Just press it. No, wait. It's just leaving you.
I just unintentionally ran over myself. See, this is the room I'm talking about, Mark. Also, you need to change your character.
Oh, Mark, you're just an old man.
Wait, is it raining now?
It's raining. At least
It is.
where I am.
It's not raining at all.
Wait, really? What am I hearing then? Like
Wait.
wind? Like, is that?
Yeah. Nick, I think you just be dumb and not be raining.
Wait, hold on.
Oh,
Oh wait, actually it is raining.
it's not raining for me.
Well,
I also
maybe
just-
you live in a different zone.
I also just went in a cave.
It is most certainly. It is most certainly raining.
It's a very light rain. Alright, let's see here. Hold tight. So what are we going to be doing today, my boy?
We are going to.
I don't know. I already
Slow
beat Nick
things
in a
up.
race, but I have no recording of it, so I can't
Wait,
prove it because my
what
OBS
race?
crashed.
We can do another race. There's like a big old road that wraps around the entire island here.
No, I
Y'all
mean
raced?
we raced on the highway map. Oh God! Ow! Ow!
What's
I-
how?
I went inside of a cave and then drove outside of it, and the cave was like halfway up a mountain, so my car just tumbled all the way down the mountain. Now, what did you mean it was raining? Cause we're in the same zone, and it's not raining.
It was raining. I looked outside, and it was certainly pouring a little bit.
Oh, you're talking in real life.
Yes.
I thought
What did you think I meant?
I thought you meant on the map.
No.
Oh my God.
That's why I was like, it's not raining.
Oh, Nathan.
God dang it.
Can you tell I'm smart, Nick?
No.
Very intelligent.
Is it raining
Yeah.
outside? It was earlier. I don't know if it still is. Oh, yep, yeah, it definitely is.
Certainly so.
My computer's right next to my window, and so I just looked out my window, and it's like Hurricane Katrina. Somehow I didn't even notice, though, until
Where
y'all
is
said
everybody?
something.
Can you hear me, guys?
Can yes, or at least yeah, I can. I don't know if Nathan can.
Yeah, I can. No, but
No.
There's some weird temple, and I went into it. So.
Oh,
The car
I know
that-
exactly where you are.
the car that's meant to float in the water just sank in the water.
Do you mean a boat?
The boat.
Well, it's not exactly a
sank.
boat, but it also is a boat.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, okay. Well,
Where? What? What just happened? Why is there squares in the sky? Whoa.
welcome to Wii Sports Resort, where you can experience paradise.
I love it.
It's just Nick. Just
Nathan, are you
Oh.
driving this boat?
I was until Nick blew me to oblivion.
Well, it's my boat now, so.
I'm inside the
I did do
volcano.
that. So am I. Welcome to the final boss.
Yo, Nick, where the nukes at?
Oh, I know exactly where the nukes are, because Nick doesn't like me getting a hold of them. Because I
I
end
don't
up
see them
breaking his
anymore.
game.
I don't see the H bombs. Oh, here's one.
Wait, I thought I got rid of the H bombs.
Yeah. That's not fun. Nick, you gotta have the H-bombs. But I found a nuke of some sort.
I could try to bring them back, but I have to restart the server.
Drivable couch.
How about
That sounds
no?
like fun.
I can't blow up this nuclear warhead.
You're a nuclear warhead.
Cause you have to.
What?
After what? What are you gonna say?
You have to.
Well, okay then.
What?
I was gonna say something. Nick just blew me up.
Oh.
I didn't know such a thing.
It said in the feed, McNichols. Okay.
I doubt Nick. Next to doubt.
Well, you just said you fell off a cliff. Nick!
Wow, it didn't kill me. I saw Nick. Back here. No!
I'm just trying to enjoy life on my couch, okay? Both in
Alright.
real life and in
You're
this
drivable
world.
couch.
Nathan, you know where to find the Saitama fist, right?
Yeah. Oh, there's a boat we can use in the sea.
Wait, I just see you glitching up there.
Alright, Nathan, you trying to take that
Oh
boat?
God! Oh.
Were you talking about this boat here?
I'm in the water now for some reason. I was.
Were you talking about this boat? Just gotta keep it up in the
Nick,
air.
you saw
There's
how
going
how far I went, right?
It's just like it's just through you.
I went interstellar.
What a movie.
I'll send you the clip if you want of like how far I went.
I watched you fly.
Dude, the boat.
Oh, Mark's over here doing his own thing with the boat as well.
Look at the boat.
See if we jump with it.
What are you
Just gotta
doing?
keep it up in the air.
Oh, I can't
do.
detonate it. It won't detonate there.
I'm on the other side of the turbines. If you want to come look at my dead body.
Hold
What
on.
just happened?
I am now a baked potato.
Apparently, I have an inbound missile.
Oh, yeah, that's the airstrike. It does.
It killed me and Nick.
It doesn't do that much damage, and then it just killed both of you.
Alright, what is on my screen? What did you...
Oh,
Look at these guys. They're hopping.
the what?
They seem so excited.
They're so excited.
Man, it'd be really shame if anything hit them.
Yeah, it would be, wouldn't it?
What the heck?
What is that?
Oh.
I was trying to have them shoot at an enemy I spawned in,
It
but
won't die. What the heck?
What in the world? It doesn't die, and then you killed me. Wait, actually,
well,
no,
if it
the
doesn't
antlion
die, I
died.
should
Oh my
spawn in a
God.
bunch, right?
It killed me. Why? They won't die. Jeez Louise.
Oh my god. Hi. How you doing?
Alright, here we are.
Couch potato.
Ah, I see what you did there.
Thy rages have come down upon me, and thy fears
Why
have
can't I edit the
agitated
bone?
me.
There we go.
I'm trying to run him over with the couch.
Oh, Nick, did I tell you that whenever we record enough videos, I'm gonna make a compilation of all of your puns? Because in the Men Squared episode 1, there's 3 on its own. And then there's one, you got one more from this video.
Turn not thy
When was
face
that?
away from me. Incline thy ear and hear me when I shall cry to thee in my affliction.
You could say it's a bit explosive. Oh, never mind. Hold on.
You just killed yourself.
Yeah. Yep, hold on. Idea. You could say
Yo, why is there couch? Go away.
May they become like dust before the wind.
Oh wait, I'm almost dead. You killed him! Oh wait, never mind, he's still invincible.
How is he alive? Both of you
Nick,
died.
what did you just use to kill us?
Why is he still alive?
How is he still alive?
Monster.
I was gonna kill Mark by driving over him in a couch, but then
at
you
this
just exploded both of us.
Sitting.
Yo, the boat fell into the water normally. That's amazing.
How did I live your Saitama fist by sitting in a chair?
Can I drive your chair as you're sitting in it? I can. Let's
What
go
are
on
you
a trip.
doing exactly?
Taking you on a trip.
I can't even see you. My chair is also upside down. I would like if you flipped me.
Let's just there you go. Oh, I didn't kill you.
Yeah. Oh yes, lava would not kill me.
But you're in a chair. You figured it wouldn't kill you when you're in a chair.
I'm just overcooked is all.
Oh, is that so?
Yeah, I'm just a little
So, Mark,
overcooked.
wait.
Oh, this is good. Also, Nathan, what is your skin?
It's a potato.
It's a potato.
That's why we
'cause-
keep making jokes about me being a potato.
I can't see you. That's why I keep asking. Like, where is he? I just see a glowing spot.
Oh, I'll go back to the town square.
Mark, what are we doing?
Oh,
Oh god, no. Oh god, there's so much lag.
It's good.
wait,
We
I want to
killed him.
see how far I can fly, Nick. Put a bunch of C4 in one spot, and then I'll stand in that spot and then
It has
explode
too many
it.
things exploding at like all at once, so let me just put like dynamite. Wait, the C4 like explodes in order.
Yeah. Holy cow.
Well,
What just happened? What just happened?
what do you mean? What just happened? You're the one that killed us.
I don't even know how.
You exploded the thing.
Ooh, piano. I should probably put a headphone in so I can hear this.
Wait, where'd it go? It's like you're just taking off
Yes.
the
Alright.
accordion on. Oh, you already got it in this. He's taking this inside.
Why? Stop taking him.
Because that's what Nick does every time we play GMOD. It's annoying when it's just the same thing over and over.
No! Nick, you made me resort to this.
Wii Sports Resort? What's that? Oh,
Deal with it. Bye.
wait. Yay. Ow.
It's this door.
Yeah, that's blue.
There's green in there as well,
That-
on the grass.
No, that's blue.
I see the grass first before I see the ocean. Can
That's
you
blue.
please? You're in my way.
That's blue.
Don't make me kill you.
That's blue.
Dang it.
There you go.
You have killed the potato
Don't
Don't
god.
walk over it. Don't walk over it. It'll kill you.
That is true.
What did I just say?
Why is there lightsabers?
I wanted to test your hypothesis, Nick. Why is it stuck in the ground? I can't pick it up.
Grab by the handle.
Oh, there you go.
Ow.
Wait, I can
Killed me with it.
I can kill y'all by just doing this.
Dude. Not right.
Let's get him.
Wait.
Oh, you are joking.
You just, wait. Oh.
What is this?
No, dang. I tried to stop him.
What just happened?
I like how Nick was like, I tried to stop him. Please stop.
I want my baked potato.
I hate
I want
you.
a baked potato. Can I have a baked potato?
Yeah, go to the spawn area. Should be there. Wait, if you're
Okay.
nice and fresh.
It's Woohoo Island.
Wait,
From-
what
You mean Uwu Island?
Ooh. Did you hear that? Oh yeah.
Shut up.
Ubu Island.
Hulu Island.
Our island.
Oh god.
Yep, now we're getting into
You
some.
about it?
I want to grab it with the gravity gun. Wait, hold on. Yeah, there we go.
Oh my gosh, that's no, this
Freaking-
is bad.
Just like shoot it at you. Dang.
Alright.
No more lightsabers.
Wait, oh, there's another one here.
I am not a fan of Star Wars. I can't
You hear that?
detonate the ones on you.
Try it now. There we go.
Do you hear this?
Wait, there's still a bunch on me.
I like how you were like, try it now, and then immediately after you just die.
Oh my god, I can hear that from your Mark, I can hear that from like your
Yeah.
side. Get
That's
ready to
nice.
detonate.
Can you please get rid of this C4?
I'm
on me? I
pressing
can't
detonate,
see.
Nick.
Okay, press detonate. There we go.
Thank you. I'm just stuck on the ceiling when I
Oh,
respawn. There's
Oh,
so
God.
much. Why
There's
is there
still-
still some on me?
What the heck?
Oh!
There we go, that's more like it. I think it's off. I'm free.
Alright, I'm gonna go put, what's it called?
A finish
I might-
line?
I'm gonna go put markers as to where we're supposed to go in the race, so
Ha,
I'll be back.
markers.
Nick, you think you're gonna be able to drive with that car? It's a little fast.
It's a bit fast.
Alright,
It's a little bit fast.
the bathtub is like,
It's gonna be fun to control.
just follow the bathtubs, and that's where you're supposed to go.